Well, this is pretty cool. They are redoing the West Liberty Street road grade crossing here. I think it was pretty beat up. Looks like they got a regulator down there, perhaps. I think they've been working on this for a few days. Let me go get a shot of the regulator, but I think the city of Medina owns this crossing, not the Wheeling and Lake Erie. Like a tamper. Yeah, like about a month or two ago, they redid part of this like hillside and stuff over here all the way around this curve. I think it was the city that did that. It might have been the railroad, but like it was maybe a drainage issue or something. So they redid this, like regraded this, and probably took some vegetation and stuff out. They've redone this this curve a couple months ago. Like the earth up there, that you can see where they put the grass mat and stuff all the way around, but that's all brand new as of a couple months ago. And now it looks like they're redoing this this crossing here. Over here at the yard today, Saturday, 6989 sitting over in the stub track. But this is an interesting piece of equipment here. Not exactly sure what it is. It looks like it attaches obviously to like a track hoe, some kind of implement, hydraulic, and then I don't know if this is like an undercutter or a trencher. I don't know what that is. Does anybody know what that is? If you do, leave it in the comments. I'd love to know. Like I said, it obviously hooks up to that, probably that high rail track hoe. I don't know if that's maybe a saw. Could that be like a side cutter to cut down branches, or does that go into the stones? Trenching, it's like a big chainsaw blade, but the blades or the teeth are up and down instead of like cutting. I don't know, that's interesting. Anybody know what it is? Leave it in the comments.